Hello! This video will walk you through the setup for the ZAFRO CorePro Portable Air Conditioner. Setup is super simple, so let's start by taking a look at the parts.
Here's what's included in the box. The main AC unit itself, an exhaust hose, a connector and adapter, the window kit made up of 2 panels, butterfly screw, and a remote control. The first step is to extend the exhaust hose. Next, twist the connector onto the hose using a counterclockwise motion. The goal is to line up the prongs on the inside of the connector with the grooves on the outside of the exhaust hose. Next, attach the window kit adapter to the other end of the hose. You should be able to twist this piece counterclockwise onto the hose as well. We will now move on to the window kit. The adjustable window kit works with both vertical and horizontal sliding windows. If the opening in your window is longer than one panel, you can combine the panels using this butterfly bolt. Insert the thread of your screw through the hole where your panels will overlap. When you slide the panels together, you need to make sure that the long flat back of the bolt slides into the center slot of the other panel. After doing this, you may fasten the washer and butterfly nut to the bolt. Do not tighten it completely, as we will make final adjustments later. Place the assembled window kit into the frame of the window. Slide the panels to fill the width of the opening, fasten by tightening the butterfly bolt, and close the window to complete the seal. When using 2 panels, you may find that the length of one of the panels is obstructing the hole in the other. In that case, you may have to trim the length of the obstructing panel. With the AC next to the window, insert the adapter end of the hose into the opening in the panel. If you wish to fasten the hose to the adapter more securely, you can connect them both with a long enough screw. Finally, attach the other end of the hose to the air conditioner. Align the connector, slide it in place, and lock it in with a click. Make sure that the hose has a gentle curve with no sharp bends, and allow at least 20 inches of space around the unit for proper airflow. After plugging in the unit, you may have to press the reset button to ensure the safety plug is providing power to the AC. Once the unit is connected to power, you're ready to go. The remote mirrors the functions on the control panel. You can switch between the different modes, as well as adjust the temperature and fan speed. You can even set a sleep timer or delay start timer.
Setup is complete, and the ZAFRO Pro Core is ready to go. A simple process for reliable cooling.